In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start off with the elephant-sided casing and turn that into a sleigh-sided casing. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is I need to prep this part. Now, if you've not got this, ask me and I shall email it to you. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to ungroup it. So while it's selected, I'm going to push Control and U for ungroup, and you should see that I can now select the different pieces. Okay, so eventually I'm just going to move these bits here and the circle across to my new sleigh shaped side. Okay, so let's go online. So go online, and I've been typing in, what did I type in? I typed in sleigh, and as you can see, okay, it came up, and I've sort of looked through here, and there's various other things you can do. I think I went to silhouette, I think. And you'll find all sorts of nice shapes. Do be aware of things where there's gaps, because obviously we're going to draw around the outside, so that would be no good because there are gaps on it. So have a look through, that might be quite good. I'm actually going to go back to the one I was on before. I can find it now. I seem to have now lost it, that's handy. Let's try again. No, I don't know what I had in there. It was like a cardboard one. So let's type in the word cardboard in and see if that brings it in. Here it is. This is the one I was after. Right, good. Okay, so click on the picture. That's the one I want. Nice, simple. You can see the different colours. There's no small bits here that are going to get cut off. So I'm going to go right click and say copy image. Okay, and there's various, all sorts of these would probably work quite nicely. So just have a little look through, find when you think, oh, that looks good. Okay, or again, it doesn't have to be a sleigh. It could be a car, it could be a banana, or anything you like. Okay, but it's just a nice simple outside shape. Okay, back to 2D design, and I'm just going to go right click and paste here, and you can see obviously that's far too big, so I'm going to hold the shift button down, and I'm just going to drag the corner and drag that in the way. Okay, bring that up there, just getting it approximately the right size. It should be about the same size so it works. Yeah, it should do. Okay, so remember whenever you're changing size, hold the shift button down, and that means it won't get squashed or pulled up or down or whatever. Okay, what do I need to do now? I need to vectorize this. So go to bitmap. Last option says vectorize bitmap. Select the image. Give it a second to think about it. Go to monochrome, and if I just move that there, you go, you can get a nice solid, okay, black and white, and that's where you want a really clear outline with nothing, no bits that are going to snap off or anything like that. Say OK, and OK again. Alright, so now I'm going to use the contour tool. So the contour is this one here, click on there, and I'm going to change the setting to 0 and say OK. I need to change the colour, so up here where it says line colour, click on there, and I want red. Red's obviously for cut, black's for etch, say OK. And I'm just going to click near the outside, and you can see it's drawn a line all the way around. What I can do now is select the middle of that, drag it away, and if it looks okay, I can just push the delete button, and that's gone. I just need that outside shape. Okay. Now, what I want to do is let's just move this up here level. This will give me a better idea of how big it is compared to that one. So that's going to be like there. So I can probably make this quite a bit smaller actually. So again, hold the shift button down and move it in about there, I think. Yeah, that looks okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select around these parts here. Because I ungrouped them, they should select as one part. Control C to copy. Over here, Control V to paste. And I can just move that into there. And obviously, as long as that fits in nicely into the body of my sleigh or whatever shape I'm making, that will work. Because remember, the front will attach onto here. That's the base and that's the back. Okay. Last little bit to do here. So I'm going to copy the elephant's eye. Now, obviously, that's for the the LED to go through, and I just need to paste that. I might move it, see if it goes there. There you go, that goes fine, or I could have it here or there. Just be aware not to have it too close, because otherwise it might snap off when you're putting that thing in. Okay, so now I can obviously get rid of my elephant. Bonk. And I'll need 2 of these. I'm just going to go copy and paste. And I can move that one there. Grab the other one and put that underneath. Okay. Obviously, I would now save this. So File, Save As. And I'm just going to call it Sleigh Alt. Okay. And save. All right. So that's now saved there. Okay. Next thing to do would be open up your email. So down the bottom here, you've got Outlook. Click on your Outlook. I'm not going to open mine, but you get the idea. Click down there. When it comes up, you want to make a new email and type in laser cutter. That's how you spell all one word with an S for laser. In the subject line, make sure you type your form. So whether it's 8, A, B, etc., type that in there. Okay, just so that when I'm doing the cut sheets, I'll combine them all together, and that'll be a lot quicker because we'll cut them in the big cutter outside. Okay, hopefully that has been useful.